Hello everyone, here I am back again with a new chapter of this book, Roald Dahl Fantastic Mr. Fox. Guys, this is the second last chapter of this book. Yes, guys, it's chapter number 17 and its name is The Great Feast. Guys, I'm going to tell you that this chapter this chapter would be of two parts, part 1 and part 2. So today I am making video of part 1 and tomorrow or day after tomorrow you can see my part 2. I will upload videos of the chapter 17 part 2 and the last chapter 18. Okay, so let's start with the first half chapter of chapter 17, the grand feast. Okay, so back in the tunnel they paused so that Mr. Fox could break up the hole in the wall. He was humming to himself as put the bricks back in place. I can still taste that glorious cider, he said. What an impudent fellow rat is. He has bad manners, Badger said. All rats have manners. I have never met a polite rat yet. Okay, so and he drinks too much, said Mr. Fox. Now home to the feast. They grabbed their jars of cider off the vent. Mr. Fox was in front, the smallest fox came next, and the badger last. Along the tunnel they flew, past the turning that led to Bunce's mighty storehouse, past Boggy's chicken's house number 1, and then up the homesteads towards the place where they knew Mrs. Fox would be waiting. Keep it up, my darlings, shouted Mr. Fox. We'll soon be there. Think what's waiting for us at the other end. And just think what we are bringing home with us in these jars. Guys, do you know what are those things that they all are bringing? Well, if you don't know, they are bringing cider. And of course, if you have seen my some previous videos, you know that what did they carry? What did Mr. Fox tell their children to carry the back their home? If you know, please comment down, and if you don't know, I'll tell you. Well, the things they carried were some chickens, some ducks and geese, uh, and some cider, I think. And yes, some cider. And of course, they also carried some carrots for the rabbits. Okay, so that ought to cheer up poor Mrs. Fox. Mr. Fox sang a little song as he ran. Well, the song was, home again swiftly I glide, back to my beautiful bride. She'll not feel so rotten as soon as she's gotten some inside, then Badger joined him. Oh, poor Mrs. Badger, he cried, so hungry she very near died. But she'll not feel so hollow, if only she'll swallow some inside. Oh, nice songs. They were still singing as they rounded the final corner and burst up. 1 minute. And burst in upon the most wonderful and amazing sight any of them had ever seen. The feast was just beginning. A large dining room had been hollowed out of the earth, and in the middle of it, seated around a huge table, were no less than 29 animals. And guys, do you know what those animals were? If you don't know, I'll tell you, and if you know, please comment down. Okay, so The animals were Mrs. Fox and 3 small foxes, 4. Mrs. Badger and 3 small badgers, 8. Mole, Mrs. Mole and 4 small foxes, 14. Rabbit, Mrs. Rabbit and 5 small rabbits, 21. A weasel, Mrs. Weasel and 6 small weasels. That makes 29 animals. Okay, so the table, okay. So here are those animals. Plus, here are Mr. Fox, Small Fox, and Badger. Okay, so the table was covered with chickens and ducks. The table was covered with chickens, ducks, geese, hams, and bacons. And everyone was tucking into the lovely food. Well, that is it for today's part 1 of the 17th chapter, the Grand Feast. And guys, I am going to tell you that I have started posting content on my other fun and comedy channel, which is Masti with Advay Chote Masti with Advay. And guys, I am going to tell you that the videos I am going to upload on my Masti with Advay channel, you can also see in my Chingari and MX Takatak profile. If you want comedy videos, and if you have Chingari and MX Takatak apps installed in your device, so please follow me in it for comedy videos. And if you don't have downloaded, install them in your device, and you want some comedy videos of mine, so please download it and follow me so you can see there. Well, 3 links are in the description: the Masti with Advay channel link, the Chingari profile link, and the MX Takatak profile link. So please follow me. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please say in the comments how the video was. Please share my videos to someone who loves Roald Dahl and Jernimus Stilton book storytelling. And please subscribe to my channel Naughty Netter and Masti with Advay Chote Masti with Advay. Follow me on Chingari and MX Takatak for comedy videos, and click on all the notifications bell icon for the 2 channels so you can get all the notifications of my videos. So bye guys, see you later in the next video.